Hello, traders, and I'm happy to share an amazing tool which will be really helping you. So, when I started my journey, especially in market profile, volume profile, one of the things which I realized it's too overwhelming. Now, I want to be in the game. I want to know who is trapped where. I want to identify the key levels. I want to learn it. I want to practice it. And you won't believe it took me 5 years to reach this level and still, making silly mistakes. But now, the learnings which I have gathered, that's an opportunity which I want to give it to you by creating an AI tool. So I want to launch today an AI tool which would really help you understand market and volume profile. Based on this, you can clearly identify the key levels. But wait, you would be thinking, so what? This is not a tool. What is the cost? Now, the good thing is, as I am the explorer, you are also the explorer, and I am giving out this tool for free to everyone. The tool is in the link description below. You can go and check it out. Now, if you want to need any help or if you want to do one-on-one consultation with me, that is the only cost which you have to pay, which you are seeing on the screen. And I will work really hard to help you improve your trading journey, identify the mistakes, and help you become self-sufficient. Great. Now let's look into it. What's the tool about? Okay, so what you are seeing currently on the screen is the chart of ES. And let me first of all hide the levels. And right now I'm on the trading view premium plan wherein I have got its own TPO inbuilt indicators with the volume profile indicators. Now I being using market profile for last more than 5 years, to be precise, more than 5 years, I can easily gaze or I can easily understand where traders are trapped. And this is basically the experience which I have spent, and the experience is nothing but the screen time. Okay. Now, if you are starting out with market profile, or if you are even starting out with understanding the inventory, or just want to look at what what is this chart telling me? So, the easiest thing is to just take a screenshot of the chart and go to this tool, paste, and just tell it, okay, analyze this and share me who is where. Great. So this AI tool, this custom GPT, is really going to help you to give you the key levels. And it has already started to give you some of the insights, right? So I'll just go line by line. So first of all, it is giving me that there is an HVN at 5908. This is where price is consolidating. It indicates balance between buyers and sellers, meaning neither side is dominant yet, right? So let me go back to the chart 5908. 5908. Okay, so this is the level, which it has currently suggested me that this is where consolidation is happening, and this is the area where neither buyers and sellers are dominant, which is amazing. And this is the HVN based on the current data points which are available, right? So this is pretty accurate. Then comes about the low volume area node, which is around 5760, where the price moved quickly, and this could see strong reactions from traders, right? So 5760, let me jump back. 5760 is this particular level. Now, if you have spent time in market profile and volume profile, you understand that this is where the accumulation of inventory is happening, followed by the transactions based on the volume profile, right? So this is also giving me a precise information or insight or analysis that, yeah, this is the area where if I am looking to trade, this is the where I'll be trying to build my positions. Now let me switch back. Okay, now buyer traps. Okay, so 5908 current resistance, seller traps 5840 to 5780. Okay, this is the POC 5780. And the current scenario is, price action above. So if market continues higher, sellers who initiated shorts would be trapped and market will be moving upward, right? So, and it is also giving me the accurate sort of a trade plan, right? So, and if you understand and if you like this, I would suggest you, to please press the like button, so that way it will help me to analyze, and it will help the AI to understand that the feedback which you have received is correct, right? Now, this is ES chart, but this is on the RTH session. What if I want to analyze the extended trading hours. I want to analyze both the ETH and RTH. This tool also helps you to identify that, right? Now let me hide my custom indicator, and I've also hidden my levels. So basically these are the levels. So I've just hidden my levels, and this is nothing but a visible range volume profile chart on high low candle, right? So I'm just taking a screenshot again, and again going back to the AI tool, pasting it here, and just telling it analyze and give me areas to trade around the trapped players. Okay, so as it is still uploading, I will just press enter. Now this particular chart only has the visible range volume profile. It doesn't have the market profile. So what AI is now suggesting is that there are few areas where traders might be trapped, where there can be potential trade opportunities. Here is the breakdown. So we have the HVN zone. So basically, if I open the chart, this is the high volume area node, which it picked up correctly around 5780 to 5800. Resistance to breakout zones. Breakout zone is basically 5908 to 5903. This level is slightly above the current price, which could act as resistance. So if sellers get trapped here, price pushes higher and it could provide a continuous trade. So 5908 to 5913. Let me open the chart again. And basically this is the zone where, and this is also the area where it is again coming up. Okay, so I am having some internet bandwidth issues. That's why I'm getting, but I will continue. So next comes the trap sellers. So 5780 to 5800 and 5840 to 5860, right? So this was a previous resistance and price moved higher. And right now, this is where the consolidation is happening, right? So short sellers from this range are now underwater as the price has broken out. They may be forced to cover on any dip, which could provide opportunities to go long. So 5840 to 5860. Let me open the chart again. And if you see 5842, so this is that consolidation zone which it has really picked up. And if you see on the left, that's where the volume profile is also suggesting the consolidation based on the transactions which are happening. And 5840 to 5860, so this is a precise location in where I will be looking to add a long. Wow, this is also a good trade plan. Okay, so I now have identified the sellers. I now have, I'm going long. Now looking at where the buyers are trapped. So 5913 to 5908. If price fails to stay above this breakout zone, buyers who entered the market expecting a continuation higher could be trapped. If the price reverses, then starts dropping below 5900. This could become a good area to go short, right? Again, let me go back to the chart. And basically what it is telling me is right now in the RTH session, so 5908, 59, this is the zone where again the buyers would be trapped. So just wait and see, does 5900 breaks or not. Based on that, if it breaks, then will be a good position to take a short position, right? So yeah, this is really gonna really help you to analyze and understand markets. And it also analyzes various not only ES, but also it analyzes a couple of stocks with who are using point and figure charts, couple of stocks which are having just on a daily chart, a couple of stocks where you have got a very complex chart based on market profile, volume profile, delta. So based on the chart setup you have, you just have to take a screenshot, paste it in the tool, and ask it, this is what I need to understand. Help me identify the levels. Okay. If you even don't want to share the charts, the AI can also help you analyze what is currently happening Apple, Apple stock, and what should be the price levels I should observe today. This AI tool is really so powerful that it will understand the stock which you're trying to analyze. So be it in US market, be it in the India market, be it in the Australia market, or be it in the Europe market. This really takes you and level up and gives you the edge wherein you can ask the AI what is happening in a particular stock, right? So I personally use this tool a lot to do my portfolio analysis. So right now it has really helped me to identify that, yeah, this is trading on 231, it's 1.65% up, and there is an upcoming earning, and this is the overall investor sentiment, which is great. What are the price levels which I should watch? So 225 to 234 is the overall range, and this is what I am supposed to look for today, right? So this also really analyzes what's currently in the internet, what people are talking about. It does a sentiment analysis, and based on this, it also helps you identify what should be the key information and key insight which you should know, which you should be aware. So that was the live demo. And just want to say before you go that AI is the way. So this is the AI way. Please go ahead and start now. Thank you and take care.